Welcome to English Room. Lesson 6. Containers and quantities for beginners with examples, a picture-perfect introduction. Slice. A slice of pizza. A slice of bread. A slice of watermelon. A slice of cake. Head. A head of garlic. A head of cabbage. A head of cauliflower. Pinch. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. A pinch of sugar. Bunch. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of radish. Bowl. A bowl of soup. A bowl of rice. A bowl of nibbles. Jar. A jar of honey. A jar of jam. A jar of nuts. A bottle of milk. A bottle of water. A bottle of wine. Drop. A drop of water. A drop of eye drop. Sack. A sack of rice. A sack of flour. A sack of potatoes. Cartoon. A cartoon of milk. A cartoon of eggs. A cartoon of juice. Box. A box of tea. A box of chocolate. A box of matches. Spoonful. A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of honey. Piece. A piece of cheese. A piece of cake. Roll. A roll of toilet paper. A roll of Scotch tape. Glass. A glass of milk. A glass of water. Barrel. A barrel of oil. A barrel of beer. Liter. A liter of oil. A liter of petrol. Cup. A cup of coffee. A cup of tea. Pair. A pair of socks. A pair of chopsticks. Handful. A handful of nuts. A handful of coins. Can. A can of cola. A can of beer. Grain. A grain of rice. A grain of sand. Tin. A tin of beans. A tin of sweet corn. Mug. A mug of tea. A mug of coffee. Packet. A packet of chips. A pocket of nuts. Basket. A basket of fruits. A basket of bread. Bar. A bar of soap. A bar of chocolate. Leaf. A leaf of lettuce. A leaf of mint. Silver. A silver of onion. A silver of wood. Sprig. A sprig of parsley. A sprig of rosemary. Crate. A crate of tomatoes. A crate of oranges. Six-pack. A six-pack of cola. A six-pack of energy drinks. Bucket. A bucket of water. A bucket of popcorn. Bulb. A bulb of onion. A bulb of fennel. Pod. A pod of peas. Plate. A plate of spaghetti. Tub. A tub of moisturizer. Tube. A tube of toothpaste. Clove. A clove of garlic. Kernel. A kernel of corn. Pack. A pack of bubble gum. Gallon. A gallon of water. Sheet. A sheet of paper. Jug. A jug of juice. Butch. A butch of cookies. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the English Room channel for more educational videos.